To use an Apple gift card for PlayStation in 2025, you will need to follow these steps. First, ensure that your Apple gift card is valid and has sufficient funds to make the purchase you want. Next, go to the PlayStation Store on your console or through the website and select the item you want to purchase. Once you have selected your item, proceed to the checkout page. Since Apple gift cards are not directly accepted on the PlayStation Store, you will need to use a workaround. You can buy a PlayStation Store gift card from the Apple App Store using your Apple gift card. To do this, open the App Store on your Apple device. Search for the PlayStation Store gift card and select the amount you want to purchase. Use your Apple gift card to complete the purchase. You will then receive a code for the PlayStation Store gift card, which you can redeem on the PlayStation Store. To redeem the code, go to the PlayStation Store, select the Redeem Code option, and enter the code you received. Once the code is redeemed, the funds will be added to your PlayStation wallet, and you can use them to make purchases on the PlayStation Store. It is essential to note that the availability of PlayStation Store gift cards on the Apple App Store may vary depending on your location, so ensure that they are available in your region before attempting to make a purchase. By following these steps, you can successfully use your Apple gift card to make purchases on the PlayStation Store in 2025. Always ensure that you are purchasing from authorized retailers and that you are using your gift cards in accordance with the terms and conditions set by the issuer.